Have you noticed that focusing on one thing has become almost impossible? You open your phone to check one message, and suddenly, 45 minutes are gone. You want to study or work, but your brain keeps pulling you toward notifications, YouTube, Instagram, or gaming. This is not just laziness. This is the dopamine trap. And it is silently destroying your focus, productivity, and future. Let's understand what's really happening. Dopamine is the feel-good chemical in your brain. It is released when you do something exciting or rewarding, like eating junk food, winning a game, getting a like, or watching a short video. In the past, dopamine helped us survive by rewarding important actions like hunting or social bonding. But today, social media, smartphones, and apps have hijacked this system. These platforms are designed by the world's smartest engineers to give you constant small dopamine hits, notifications, likes, reels, matches, and endless scrolling. Every hit feels good for a moment, but it trains your brain to crave quick rewards and reject anything that takes effort. This creates something called dopamine addiction. Your brain gets used to high levels of stimulation. Normal work, studying, reading, or even having a deep conversation starts to feel boring and painful because they release dopamine much more slowly. This is why you can watch YouTube for hours without getting tired, but studying for 30 minutes feels like torture. Your brain has been rewired to chase fast dopamine. The dangerous part? The more you chase quick dopamine, the worse your focus becomes. Your attention span drops dramatically. You start needing more stimulation just to feel normal. Over time, this leads to anxiety, restlessness, poor memory, and even depression. But here's the good news. You can escape the dopamine trap. First, become aware of the addiction. Notice how often you reach for your phone without any reason. Second, practice dopamine detox. For a few hours every day, remove all high-stimulation activities. No phone, no YouTube, no gaming, no music. At first, it will feel extremely uncomfortable. That discomfort is your brain resetting. Third, rebuild focus with small wins. Start with just 10 to 15 minutes of deep work. Then increase gradually. Reward yourself only after completing the task, not before. Fourth, understand this powerful truth. Real satisfaction and confidence come from doing hard things, not from easy pleasures. The dopamine trap makes you trade your long-term dreams for short-term pleasure. Every time you choose quick dopamine over focused work, you are stealing from your future self. If you want to regain your focus and achieve big things in life, you must break free from this trap. Start today. Put your phone in another room. Sit down. Do the hard thing even when your brain screams for distraction. The discomfort you feel is not your enemy. It is the price of a better life. Thank you for watching this video on DreamMindFix. If you feel trapped by dopamine, please like this video and subscribe for more psychology videos that actually help. Comment below, how many hours do you think you waste on dopamine activities every day? See you in the next video. Take care and protect your focus.